Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? I'm Sierra Lafay, bienvenido a mi canal. This is going to be a super duper quick video, just basically about the new way I've learned to wrap my hair. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video even though it's going to be super quick. Pero vamos a empezar. So still for my nighttime routine, I do take my paddle brush and I do like to brush my hair, get my scalp to kind of help stimulate it a little bit. Brush it for about a minute straight. Oh, excuse me. What that also helps is for my natural oils to go through all my hair strands, just to kind of help keep my hair nice and oiled and healthy. And now all I do is part my hair in the back with my fingers, cross it over, and then bring it right to the front like so. Take some duck clips that I got from my beauty supply, but I'll link these down below. I put some in the back where my hair is a little bit shorter, and then I'm just gonna go ahead, take these two, and then just go ahead and pin that in the back too. And then I'm not looking in a mirror, so I usually do this a lot quicker and a lot easier if I can see myself. And I'm sure that there's a couple of hairs falling, but that's again because I can't see myself. But you get the gist of what I just did. This is a lot easier if you have longer hair to wrap it, and you pretty much get the same type of results when you let it down. Just use my satin bonnet and I place that right on top of my head at night, and it pretty much stays on. Sometimes I actually put a scarf on my head instead, just if I can't find my bonnet. But yeah, this is pretty much all that I do to wrap my hair. Let me know if you're going to try this, if you already do this, or if you do the regular wrap method. Love to know in the comment section below. And until the next video,
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.